Navkar Educare. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Navkar Educare. I hope everyone is safe. In today's video, we shall discuss the Reserve Bank of India's order passed on 2nd May 2020 cancelling the license of Mumbai-based the CKP Cooperative Bank Limited. To keep yourself updated with financial news, please subscribe to our channel Navkar Educare and please press the bell notification to get latest updates on our videos. Highlights: the Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of the bank due to its financial instability. In an order, the RBI has maintained that the bank was not in a position to pay its present and future depositors. The Registrar of Cooperative Societies, Pune, Maharashtra, has also been requested to issue an order for winding up the affairs of the bank and appoint a liquidator for the bank. Facts: founded in 1915, the CKP Bank has 8 branches across Mumbai and Thane with around 1.31 lakh customers and deposits worth rupees 485 crores. The bank's revival efforts were far from adequate. The bank's gross non-performing assets increased from 90.6 percentage to 96.83 percentage from 31st March 2018 to 31st March 2019. Further, the bank's deposits eroded from 48.65 percentage to 51.45 percentage. The RBI said that the financial position of the bank is highly adverse and unsustainable. There is no concrete revival plan or proposal for merger with another bank. Credible commitment towards revival from the management is not visible. The bank is not satisfying the requirement of minimum capital and reserves. The bank is not in a position to pay its present and future depositors. The affairs of the bank were and are being conducted in a manner detrimental to the public interest and interest of the depositors, and that the general character of the management of the bank is prejudicial to the interest of the depositors as also public interest. The bank's efforts for revival have been far from adequate, though the bank was given ample time and opportunity and dispensations. Was the action of the RBI harsh and untimely? While speaking with Mumbai Mirror, CKP Bank's former director Mr. Rajendra Fanse said that the RBI's action is too harsh and untimely. They will challenge it before the finance minister within 30 days. Besides deposits worth rupees 485 crores, the bank has an investment of rupees 235 crores in government securities. The bank has also attached assets worth rupees 65 crores of defaulters and is in the process of attaching additional assets worth rupees 60 crores. The bank also made an operating profit of rupees 15 crore in the last financial year. Further, he said that in 2009, when Madhopur Cooperative Bank went down, the center revived it by infusing rupees 800 crores. However, CKP Bank needed just rupees 300 crores. So why is the bank being given such stepmotherly treatment? What happens to the deposits of the depositors? Consequent to the cancellation of its license, the CKP Bank is prohibited from conducting business of banking, which includes acceptance of deposits and repayment of deposits with immediate effect. With the cancellation of license and commencement of liquidation proceedings, the process of paying the depositors of the bank as per DICGC Act 1961 will be set in motion. As per the revised limits announced in February this year, on liquidation, every depositor is entitled to repayment of his or her deposits up to a monetary ceiling of rupees 5 lakhs. The lessons. Time and again, we have seen how the cooperative banks fail, resulting in huge losses to the depositors. The depositors get swayed by the attractive rates which cooperative banks offer. But before getting swayed by attractive rates, it may be wise to look at some of the key financial metrics to gauge the soundness of the cooperative bank. Disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel Naukar Educare and please press the bell notification to get latest updates on our videos. Eager to meet you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.